Hi, this is a quick follow-up to the EEVBlog podcast number 1067 about obsolescence of the analog meters, and no one mentioned about one nice feature of the analog meters. Using a whiteboard marker, you can mark, in example, the idle current of this single board computer, and well, you can mark anything you want. But let's take a look at this meter. And focus, come on. Okay, you can see the idle current, and the Wi-Fi current, and the 4-course current, because this is a 4-course computer. So let's use 1 core. Let's use 2 cores, 3 and 4 cores. And now let's use the Wi-Fi using the FTP transfer, so we can mark the maximum current, or for example the dangerous current. You can name it and like you want, and you can clearly see what's going on. What do you think about this cool, in my opinion, feature?